Hi guys, so in today's video I will be sharing a complete roadmap from first to final year for students who are into BCA, BSc IT, BSc CS or MCA kind of degrees who are aiming to become a software engineer. So पहले मैं अपना learnings बताऊंगी कि मैंने क्या क्या पढ़ा था during my BCA and then I will share a better path because seeing the competition in current market I feel कि जो चीज़ें मैंने पढ़ी थी that are not sufficient. So फर्स्ट ईयर में मैंने पाइथन सीखा था एक ऑफलाइन कोचिंग से. सो दैट वाज लाइक वेरी बिगिनिंग ऑफ प्रोग्रामिंग कि प्रोग्रामिंग क्या होता है, हाउ डू वी राइट कोड, व्हाट आर द फंडामेंटल ऑफ प्रोग्रामिंग, ऑल दोज थिंग्स. तो वो मैंने ऑफलाइन सीखा था एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड टू कोड इन पाइथन. बट डोंट वरी अबाउट दोज थिंग्स, I will be covering all of those topics from the very beginning on my YouTube channel. And उसके बाद I started learning C language because C is the mother of programming languages. तो मैंने C language बुक से पढ़ी थी. So that is letter C. मैं उसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूँगी. एंड एक बार यू नो C language तो C++ इज़ लाइक जस्ट वन लेवल अप करना है. C++ के लिए मैंने GFG ब्लॉक्स और जो डॉक्यूमेंटेशन है C++ का वो देख के खुद से सीख लिया था. एंड देन कम्स वेब डेवलपमेंट. तो वेब डेवलपमेंट में लाइक मैंने यूडेमी से कुछ क्रैश कोर्सेज और बाकी मैंने पूरा यूट्यूब से ही पढ़ा था. एंड फॉर प्रैक्टिसिंग एंड एक्सप्लोरिंग मैंने W3 स्कूल्स भी थोड़ा बहुत देखा था. सो ये वो सब चीज़ें थी जो मैंने अपने फर्स्ट ईयर में पढ़ी थी. बिकॉज आई वॉज नॉट नोइंग एनीथिंग अबाउट प्रोग्रामिंग बिफोर. नाउ कम्स टू अ बेटर पाथ. तो इफ़ यू आर स्टार्टिंग टुडे एज लाइक यू आर इन फर्स्ट ईयर, तो यू शुड नो एटलीस्ट वन प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज. लाइक you should be very strong in one programming language and you should know development, be it web dev or Android. You should learn development and make at least 2 good projects during your first year. Not only this, you should be knowing backend as well, how to integrate database with your project and all those things. And you should be knowing at least basic DSA like array, strings, recursion, linked list and all those, which I will be covering on my 100 days of code challenge. And last but not the least, try to learn CS fundamental subjects. Now coming to second year में मैंने DSA प्रैक्टिस किया था. लाइक फर्स्ट ईयर में मैंने बहुत बेसिक सीखा था एंड देन सेकेंड ईयर में आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग दैट लाइक डेली प्रैक्टिस करना एंड ऑल. तो मैंने एक ऑनलाइन कोर्स परचेस किया था बट आई विल नॉट रिकमेंड परचेसिंग एनी कोर्स ऑनलाइन एट दिस मोमेंट. यू कैन लर्न एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम ऑनलाइन, basics of programming to the advanced topics like DP and graphs. So everything is available online. Don't purchase any courses, they are not necessary. And then उसके बाद में different platforms like HackerRank, HackerEarth, AdCoder, CodeChef, CodeForces, Geeks for Geeks, LeetCode, सारी जो प्लेटफॉर्म्स है वो मैंने एक्सप्लोर करी. उसके बाद में मैंने वेब डेव में थोड़े और प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाए लाइक फुल स्टैक प्रोजेक्ट्स. So if you want to do it a bit better than what I did, so you should explore other domains. If you're not interested in any other domain, you can start doing CP, like start giving contest on CodeChef or CodeForces, and that way you will be very good in problem solving. And if you're not interested in this, you can you can try hackathons, you can contribute in open source, and there are many other things. And you should be very good at DSA by your second year. So try practicing on LeetCode and you can go through any book for learning in depth. And by the end of your second year, if you are very good in DSA, not very good but decent, and you have built good projects or started doing CP or open source contributions or hackathons, so you are good for an internship. So try getting an internship by the end of your second year. And for the platforms you can use are LinkedIn, Y Combinator, Internshala. But Internshala पे you have to be very cautious while applying because वहाँ पे fraud companies ज़्यादा है. So first research about the company, their website, their founders, everything is well, then only apply on Internshala. So in your third year you can learn system design. So system design is not something which is supposed to be asked to the freshers, but if you are a fresher and knowing system design, that will make a huge impact that you are very strong candidate for a software engineer role. So you can learn low level design for this moment, and if you are very interested you can go for a high level design as well. And you have to brush up your current skills, like DSA you have to practice daily 1 or 2 questions. You have to you don't have to stop anything which you have learned so far. So you have to make projects if you are very interested into making projects. Otherwise just try taking part into hackathons. So for hackathons I will suggest a website named DevPost. So DevPost pe you can give solo hackathons or group hackathons. They are all online, virtual. You don't have to be anywhere. So you can give hackathons, and if you are not into hackathons, you can give contests on the platforms like CodeChef or Codeforces or even LeetCode. You can give contests there. So this is the final year, so everyone should be aiming for an internship or a job. So in 5th semester you can aim for an internship. If you get an internship, try to convert that into a PPO. Otherwise try to get a job from the starting of your 6th semester. Okay, so once you have done all the things and got an opportunity to interview at a company, so you should be prepared to give the interview with confidence. Like start giving mock interviews with your friends so that you will be prepared for the interview before giving the real one. Good luck.